Hello dear traders, you're watching market news on ИнстаФорекс TV channel with me, Kate Nidachina. As you already know, global crude prices skyrocketed amid the weakening US dollar and analyst expectations of a further decline in the oil production and the upcoming OPEC meeting minutes. Crude prices began an upward rally early on Thursday, and the bearish trend can still be observed in the market. This morning, Brent futures managed to gain 16 cents, reaching the level of $44. The prices were rising throughout the European trading hours and hit the mark of $44.49 during the pre-market turn of the New York session. Market participants are currently focused on the results of today's OPEC meeting, at which the cartel is expected to negotiate the reasons behind the drop in hydrocarbon prices and appropriate ways to address this issue. Thus, Venezuela made an appeal for the cartel to reduce quotas for oil production by at least 1.5 million barrels a day. However, some analysts still harbor doubts that this plan can be put into action. On Wednesday, WTI crude lost 4.6%, landing at $40 a barrel. It happened on the back of an increase that happened on last week in the US crude inventories. Meanwhile, WTI futures advanced to the level of $41.30 a barrel today, thanks to the weakening US national currency and the approaching OPEC meeting minutes. Most economists are sure that cutting oil production is the only way to address the issue of falling crude prices. It can be done in case Iran and other non-OPEC countries undertake the same measures, as was stated at the meeting. It poses a problem for Iran, as it has been seeking to increase its crude production since Western sanctions were lifted. In the current conditions, analysts prefer to refrain from making any forecasts awaiting the OPEC meeting minutes, which are due to be released later today. It was ИнстаФорекс News and me, Kate Nidachina. Have a nice weekend.